Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. Myself Bipin Kumar. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I will show you, I will be showing you like how we can whitelist any IP address, okay, in AWS security groups. In order, you can just follow uh, for all the services. These things are same, like if you are using it doing it for EC2 instance, you can do it for your RDS database, you can do it for your S3, you can do it for other services, whatever services you are going to use, you can just follow the same steps things. Okay, so here we have to go to the security group. Okay, so we have this much security group. So you will get requirement like, hey, please whitelist my IP to EC2 instance, any prod web server, staging server, any service you can get request. They will tell you like, hey, please whitelist my IP in prod web server. Okay, so you just have to look like your prod web server EC2 instance have attached with which security group, and you have to go to that security group and you have to click on inbound rule, then you have to click on edit inbound rule. Okay, so here you can custom custom TCP you can use, and you can use port name as well, but I will be showing you like other things. What is the your requirement is, it's depend on that, and you can use any IP address, you can enter the IP address. So I will whitelisting my IP address here only. So my IP, so it's checking my IP. Okay, so I got my IP address. So I will be putting my IP address here and we will be saving that. So my IP address got whitelisted in this security group. So, and I have choose the type HTTPS. Okay, so and protocol is TCP, port name 443. So that's it for this video. I hope you are liking and enjoying my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. If you have any query, I will reply you on that. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.